The model is wearing a very simple but a most elegant dress.
I think this is the perfect dress for you.
The fashion designer took measurements for his new suit very slowly and carefully, while the customer looked on happily.
A dressmaker should be able to cut fabric straight.
John is shopping online to buy a pair of shoes at the moment. At the moment, John is shopping online to buy a pair of shoes.
People very often go to Camden Market to buy clothes. There are always bargains to find.
We waited patiently in the long queue to buy clothes during the sales today. Today we waited in the long queue patiently to buy clothes during the sales.
I work so hard before a fashion show that I hardly have any free time.
People in the fashion industry have a high opinion of her designs and regard her as a highly skilled fashion designer.
Lately, the company's fashion designer has been coming in late.
His finger was so near the needle that he nearly injured himself.